On your artwork checking report, you might receive a message that states, "Please do not use any of our template spot colors in your artwork." This can lead to parts of your artwork being removed when the template is removed. This warning means that one of the colors you use in your design is using the same color swatch that the template uses. Anything using these swatches is viewed as part of the template and is automatically removed by our system. A large portion of these warnings come from the files where the designer used the template's black swatch or the template's white swatch for their text color. Let's take a look at one of our templates in Illustrator. When you hover over the colors in the color swatch window, you will notice that some of the swatches will be named with the word template. These are the swatches you need to avoid using in your design. This is an example of a design that is using a template swatch color for their text color. When we click on the black and view the color's name in the color window, you will see that the name of the color has template in it. You can also see over in the swatch window that the black template swatch is highlighted as well. This means that the color is coming from the template swatch, which will trigger this warning. On the left is the design before going through the artwork checking system, and on the right is the design after going through the artwork checking system. Since the text is using the black color swatch from the template, the text is removed from the design. If your artwork is using colors that were picked from the template swatches, there are several ways to switch the colors out. One way is to select the color in your design, navigate to the color window in Illustrator, and click on the CMYK icon shown here. This will take the swatch and break it down to a CMYK color that is unlinked from the template swatch. Another way is to create a new swatch. With the template swatch selected in the swatch panel, create a new swatch by selecting the icon as shown. Now, change the color to process color and give it a new name. Do not use the word template in the name of the swatch. With this new swatch created, you can select the elements in the design that use the template colors and change the color over to the new swatch as shown. When designing on our templates, avoid picking colors from the template's color swatches to avoid this warning.